All right, Mountain View pressure washing, doing a brand new build, Big Tex trailer, 12x6, all treated floor, 325 gallon tank, electric hose rail, tightened. Ran the bushings underneath there, gusset underneath the floor, so that way if they get in a wreck, this tank don't go flying off, killing somebody. 7,000 pound axle. These are in a absolute straight line, all strapped. 325 water, 55 SH, 35 surfactant, square channel Big Tex trailer, 20 gallon tank, fuel tank, marine battery cover with about $1,000 worth of dual batteries in there. Welding lead coming out. I know, overkill. I still have to get some, I'm running nylon wire loom. It's more high temp. Another thing I don't like is how that cable is going on that bracket. So I'm going to put a shield around that. Honda fuel injected. 10 gallon a minute. They actually say it's 11. But whatever. 1.5 tube. Big king nipple. Modified this from 3/8 bypass to 1/2 inch. This will not starve this machine. There is more flow than is needed. Big banjo strainer. Gonna have the bypass. I won't be using this just for transportation. Again, Titan electric hose rail. Midwest proportion system. This will all get wire loomed. Flush kit, suction, 2-inch pipe. Oh, I should have mentioned we got a shut-off valve down there. That way I can shut it off there and not lose my prime. Distribution blocks, 12 volt. I'm gonna go put the Flow Pro system here. All I gotta do, power sit right here. Tap in, good to go. Any accessories, boom, right there. Titan electric hose reels, garden, Softwash, welding leads. 2-inch dump. This will drain that tank super fast, no screwing around. I'm gonna put like some clips here. I'm gonna put some rubber around those brackets. I'll split like a 3/4 inch hose or whatever. Zip tie it so that way it's got a nice cushion. Yeah. This is gonna make some, we got more work and we can shake a stick out. I own a carpet cleaning business too. 20 years established, and most of my customers would love to have this service. I do mainly high-end residential, not to sound snooty, but it is what it is. Mountain View pressure washing. Enjoy your day.